Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is not a tutorial video, but it's a big update for all of our subscribers. We are going to change the name of our channel and the new channel name will be GreatStack. Here is our new logo. Do let us know what do you think about this logo in the comment section. Now onwards, we will be creating more web development projects, tutorials and courses on our channel. We are also changing our website and social media pages. You can directly contact us on our Instagram or other social media pages. These are our social media handles. I have put their links in the video description to check out. We are also planning to start a live Zoom classes on web development courses for people who are interested. So do let us know if you are interested by using the link given in the description. Thanks for your continuous support and I hope to get 1 million subscribers soon. I will see you in the next video of GreatStack.